Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today I have something special for you. We're creating a Valentine's Day envelope animation using just HTML CSS. No JavaScript, no extra libraries, just pure creativity with simple code. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to design a foldable envelope with interactive flaps, a pop-out message card with a cute heart design, and smooth hover animations to bring it all to life. It's the perfect project for beginners and pros who want to create something unique and festive. So grab your favorite text editor and let's start coding. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun coding tutorials. So here's the basic HTML code. We have a div with the class container, the main wrapper that holds all elements. Inside the container, we have two divs with the class right and left. These two divs likely form the envelope's flaps, which can be animated to open. We have a div with class envelope. This is the main part of the envelope. We have one more div with the class box. This contains the greeting text and a heart. Inside, there's a P tag with Happy Valentine's Day, BR tag which move text to next line, and a div class heart that visually represents a heart shape. Now that we've gone over the HTML structure, let's take a look at the CSS. The universal selector applies styles to all elements on the page. Margin, 0, and padding, 0. Remove default spacing, ensuring a clean layout. Box sizing, border box, ensures that width and height calculations include padding and border, preventing layout issues. Body. Display, flex, applies a flexbox layout, which helps to center the content inside the body both vertically and horizontally. Height, 100 VH, ensures the body takes up the full height of the viewport. Width, 100%, makes sure the body spans the full width of the screen. Background color, sets a soft pink color as the background of the page. Justify content, center, centers content horizontally within the body. Align items, center, centers content vertically within the body. Font family, brush script MT, cursive, applies a handwritten cursive font, which enhances the romantic and personal feel of the design. Now let's look at the dot container class. Position, relative, allows child elements to be positioned absolutely inside it. Display, flex, flexbox is used again to center the envelope elements inside the container. Height, 200 pixel, and width, 300 pixel. These dimensions define the size of the envelope. Background color, a bright pink color for the envelope, making it stand out. Justify content, center. And align items, center. Z index, 0. Ensures this container is stacked below the other elements when they are absolutely positioned. We move on box class. Position, absolute. The card is positioned absolutely inside the container, relative to the container element. Height, 195 pixel, and width, 270 pixel. Defines the size of the message card, slightly smaller than the envelope to create the effect of the card being inside. Top, 0. Background color, white. Makes the card's background white, which contrasts well with the pink envelope. Border radius, 5 pixel. Z-index, 2. Transition, 0.5 second makes it slide up smoothly when hovered. Move on box before. Position, absolute. Positions the dashed border inside the box element. Content. This creates a pseudo element without content, but used for styling. Top, 10px. Left, 10px. Right, 10px. Bottom, 10px. Positions the border 10 pixel away from all edges of the box. Border, 3 pixel dashed. Creates a dashed border with a dark blue color to add a decorative handmade touch. Take a look on box P tag. Margin top, 30 pixel gives space above the text. Text align, center. Color makes it dark blue. Font size, 30 pixel makes it large and readable. Moving on to the heart class. Position, relative. Positions the heart relative to its normal position. Display, inline block. Ensures the heart is placed in line with the text and can be manipulated with margin. Background color. Sets a red color for the heart. Height, 20 pixel. And width, 20 pixel. Defines the size of the heart. Margin, 0, 10px. Adds horizontal spacing between the heart and other elements. Top, 10px. And left, 115px. Positions the heart near the center of the box, slightly offset. Transform, rotate -45 degree. Rotates the heart by -45 degrees to create the typical heart shape. before and after pseudo elements of a heart class. Position, absolute, positions the elements relative to the heart container. Content, creates an empty element for styling. Height, 20 pixel width, 20 pixel. Background color, sets the heart's color to red. Border radius, 50%, makes them circular. Heart before. Top, minus 10 pixel, moves the circle 10 pixel up. Left, 0, heart after. Left, 10 pixel, moves 10 pixel to the right. Top, 0, stays at the top of heart. Now look at the envelope class. Position, absolute. The envelope is positioned absolutely inside the container. Height, 100% and width, 100%, makes the envelope fill the container. Top, 0, left, 0. Border top, 100 pixel solid transparent. Border right, 150 pixel solid has FF4081. Border bottom, 100 pixel solid has FF4081. Border left, 150 pixel solid has F33A77. Border top, border right, border bottom, border left. These create the triangular flaps of the envelope using CSS borders. Z-index. 3. Ensures the envelope stays above other elements. Right, left, position, absolute. Height, 100%. Width, 100%. Top, 0. Left, 0. Border right, 150 pixel solid transparent. Border bottom, 100 pixel solid transparent. Border left, 150 px solid transparent. Borders create triangular shapes to mimic the envelope flaps. Transform origin, top. Makes the flaps rotate from the top when hovered. Transition, transform 0.25 second linear. Adds a smooth animation to the flap rotations. Right. Border top, 100 pixel. Solid has FC1E68. Creates a triangle shape. Transform, rotate, x 0 degree. Initially, it is flat. Z-index, 3. Transition delay, 0.75 second. Animates with a delay when hovered. Left. Similar to right, but it starts rotated, rotate x 90 degree. So it is hidden. Z-index, 1. Transition delay, 0.5 second. Container, hover, right. Transform, rotate x 90 degree. The right flap moves up, opening the envelope. Transition delay, 0 second. Container, hover, left. Transform, rotate x 180 degree. The left flap rotates further, making it look like it folds back. Transition delay, 0.25 second. Container, hover, box. Transform, translate y minus 80 pixel. The letter slides up after a short delay. Transition delay, 0.5 second. And there you have it. We've just built a beautiful Valentine's Day envelope animation using nothing but HTML CSS. Let's quickly recap. We designed a realistic envelope with interactive flaps, added a message card that pops out with a fun animation, and of course, created a cute heart design to complete the look. I hope this tutorial helped you learn some cool tricks with CSS animations and styling. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative coding tutorials. Also, drop a comment below if you have questions or ideas for future tutorials. I'd love to hear from you.